Good morning. Well, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's actually not the morning, okay? It's early afternoon and we're just kicking off this full day of eating. But this full day of eating, it's gonna be like no other full day of eating that I've posted on this channel.
None other.
Yeah, none other. How many full day of eatings have I done now? Like 1,000,010?
1,011.
Oh, all right. This full day of eating is gonna be a little different because today we're in self-isolation. We are witnessing. We are witness.
Quarantine 2020.
Quarantine 2020, baby. Listen, it's Saturday, it's the weekend. I'm exhausted. My sleep schedule this quarantine has been appalling, okay? So this morning I decided to sleep in a little bit, okay? I slept in and then when I woke up, I stayed in bed, but here I am now, ready to begin this full day of eating just a little bit later than usually I would start it. All right, let's jump into this. It's breakfast time. I have some rotten bananas back here. Let me show you. Rotten. All right, these are some rotten bananas. So I looked up a recipe for some banana pancakes, and we're gonna finish off these bananas that we didn't finish earlier in the week with some banana pancakes, a little egg scramble on the side. Stefan woke up before me, so he actually already had a bowl of oatmeal. So this will be his second breakfast and my first breakfast. Let's jump into this. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Another day in quarantine 2020. Another day in my favorite quarantine outfit, robe. This is the quarantine of robes, okay? I've been living in a robe. Love me a robe. All right, let's begin. Are you ready, Stefan?
I'm ready.
His name is not Stefan, his name is Stefan. With an F. I'm on banana pancake duty, Stefan's on the scramble duty.
I'm on scramble
But
duty.
it seems like I'm doing all your prep work today.
And I'm on vlog duty. That's why you're doing the prep work.
Yeah, okay. So here I'm washing some bell pepper. I'm gonna chop up some onion. We're gonna make a little egg scramble. And then I'm getting my bananas ready. Ugh, ripe bananas really gross me out, you know? I'm just like not a ripe banana type of gal.
Right.
That's just not who I am.
And what do you have on this iPad
That's
here?
who you are, but that's not who I am. I'm not a ripe banana gal, but you are a ripe banana guy.
Okay,
You know?
yeah.
All right, I found this recipe. I'll link it below. Banana oatmeal pancakes, but they're dairy and they're gluten-free. So delicious. I always find like the most simple recipes, you know? 2 ripe bananas, 1 egg white, rolled oats, some cinnamon, baking powder. Let's do this. Stefan's on onion duty because I'm already crying from it. So we're switching spots. Stefan had to leave because he was crying.
Are you filming me?
Let's see, dude. It's even hurting my eyes. Let's see you. All right. Mixed up the batter, and now I'm gonna add in some walnuts. I chopped them up. These little suckers out. Chopped them up. I love walnuts. And I was thinking we could add some bloobs as well. Little banana bloob pancakes. Delicious.
You gonna show my masterpiece or what?
Yeah. I can show him your masterpiece. Here's Stefan's masterpiece. Chopped onions. Now he's gonna chop up some bell peppers. Your prep is taking a long time.
This is kind of my technique.
Oh. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. All right.
Yep.
Back to the pancakes. All right. There we go. This is nice. That is nice. Gonna add some walnuts. You love walnuts?
I love walnuts.
I think walnuts is like my favorite kind of nut.
I'm for sure a cashew guy, but...
You're a cashew guy?
Yeah.
I'm a walnut gal. Look at this. The last pancakes I made on a full day of eating didn't work out. I've given up on any sort of protein in a food. It's just never good, okay? That's nice. All right, let's feel her out. Let's see how thick she's getting here. I'm kind of sad though because that turned the pancakes purple. That didn't go as I planned.
The blues?
Yeah, I should have just like popped them in when they were on the pan, but that's fine. All right, look at this. That's thick. That's a thick batter. I'm gonna warm up my little, what's this thing called? A skillet. Haven't used this in 1.5 years, in 80 years. Oh no.
What happened there?
I don't know, but they're all burnt.
Yeah, it's all right. We'll learn on the next round.
Oh my gosh. Let me turn on the heat. You know what? Here's the thing. I'm not a chef. I know I'm not a chef. You know I'm not a chef. Stefan knows I'm not a chef. I'm just a girl who tries to live a healthy lifestyle, you know?
And the results are seen here.
Yeah. It's okay. All right, look, the second round went better, all right? And they're so fluffy. All right, listen, I don't like to tell people this because you guys are very critical of what I eat, but we're just those kind of people, okay? We're the kind of people born and raised, we put ketchup on our eggs.
We like ketchup.
We like ketchup and we like
our
ketchup.
Sin?
They act, you guys act like
sin.
it's a sin sometimes.
It's sugar-free too.
Yeah, but it's fine. Okay, just don't tell them.
Yeah.
All right, egg scramble, got a little bit of maple syrup, pop it on our pancakes. I messed up on the pancakes, you know? I made the silly decision to blend the bloobs into the batter.
Yeah, instead of just popping them in.
Yeah, so it would have just been cuter if I just popped them in. But we'll do that tomorrow,
Yep.
okay? All right, so I'm gonna get lunch going here in a little bit. Like really this day started so late for us, so we'll probably have a very late dinner tonight, but for now I'm gonna get lunch going. I have been receiving countless comments, DMs, messages telling me that you guys are really struggling to eat healthy right now, and I want you to know that you are not alone. I'm in the same boat. When you are home all day, it is so hard not to snack all day and to even find the motivation to eat healthy. So if you feel like you're not doing enough, you feel like you're not eating healthy enough, you feel like you're struggling to stay on track, I just want you to know that it's okay. And this is such a weird and uncomfy and uncertain time, and you need to realize this is why I really emphasize the importance of living a healthy lifestyle rather than dieting super strict. It's so important to build that balance so that, you know, when life happens, when things like this happens, which hopefully never happens again, that you've built that very balanced lifestyle where hopefully you know, I'm gonna keep hammering it in, that it is okay if you make a mistake. It is okay if you have some dessert. You want a cookie, you have a freaking cookie. If you saw my last vlog, I had quite a few cookies. So please don't take this video and think, oh my gosh, Winnie eats perfect every day. No, holy heck and Bob, no I don't, okay? Do you know how hard it is not to be snacking on these right now, okay? I want these videos to hopefully just bring you a little bit of inspiration when it comes to the kitchen. Most of the time, like Stefan goes straight upstairs to work, I start working at the crack of dawn, and I most of the time don't have time to make like 3 big meals a day, but because it's Saturday, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of inspiration, a little creativity when it comes to the kitchen. I've honestly been having a lot of fun this quarantine. Am I allowed to say quarantine? Finding loads of new recipes online and learning how to cook them. I'm gonna start making lunch. We're having tostadas today, which has been really easy to make. It makes such a good lunch and dinner, and then there's usually leftovers, so it's such an easy meal prep meal as well to like pop together, to like make the mixture and then warm up some tortillas a day later and eat it the next day. So I hope that gives you guys a little bit of encouragement. We're all just doing the very best that we can, and you gotta remember that. So please don't be beating yourself up. Give yourself a freaking break. Listen, we are gonna get through this. There are so many more important things in this life right now to worry about than staying on perfect track and living a perfectly healthy lifestyle. It's okay if you miss a workout. It's okay if you have some dessert. In fact, tonight, you know what we're finally gonna try? A Dole Whip. Everyone in their mother, okay? Bless your sweet baby angel souls. So many of you sent me the Dole Whip recipe, so I figured for this video we could try it. So I love you guys. Let's crack into this. All right, did a little prep work. I have 1 diced tomato. I have about a couple tablespoons of diced onion, chopped up green pepper, sliced, you can kind of see it, I just combined them. Some sliced onion, cilantro. I'm cooking ground chicken. You can also use beef, ground turkey, whatever the heck and bob you're feeling for your tacos. I'm gonna go ahead and season it with some Southwest Latin heat seasoning, some chili powder, and just like a little pinch of salt. Mixture's almost done. I'm warming up my tortillas right now. I'm gonna add a little bit of this cheddar and mozzarella shreds. Listen, you guys all recommended a million different other brands of cheese, dairy-free cheese that I can't wait to try, but I gotta finish this bag first, okay? We can't be wasteful. So I'm gonna sprinkle this on and then pop them in the oven at 450 for, I don't know, just a couple of minutes. Get them all a little warm and toasty. I had a bunch of unopened packages of these siete almond flour tortillas, so that's what I'm using today. Delicious, the best of the best. Look at that, tostadas. Looks like Navy's excited. What about you, Indy Lou? Yep, so easy. There's definitely gonna be extras, so we can have it for leftovers tomorrow. Just warm up some more tortillas. So fun, huh, Navy? Are you jealous? You had turkey for breakfast, dude. Yeah, you both did. Uh-huh. All right, for dinner tonight, we are making a soup, which is very unlike me. In fact, I don't think I've ever made a soup on this channel before, ever in a full day of eating before. But Steph and I have been really experimenting with our recipes. And last week we tried this and we were both like, we were hestant. How hesitant?
Very hesitant.
We're not soup people.
Yeah,
we're not soup people. But we ended up trying it, we loved it, and now we're gonna make it again tonight. The last time we made it with chicken sausage, but since we had chicken sausage earlier, I'm gonna swap the chicken sausage with turkey. This is a kale and sweet potato soup, and it's so easy to make. So let me show you. I washed some kale, just chopped up an onion, that's what's going right here. We have a sweet potato ready. I'm gonna soften this, then we're gonna add in the turkey from over there, and then we'll be good to go. We're gonna make some bread on the side of this soup. Okay, I love bread, don't at me. So we're gonna make like a little butter mixture with a little bit of avocado oil, plant-based butter, and some Italian seasoning. So I'll just take 2 tablespoons of that, sprinkle this on top, and then we'll smother the bread with it. I'm gonna chop sweet potato, 2.5 cups of water. And then I'm gonna take a packet of this.
What's that?
I would say this is the best discovery we've ever made.
Oh.
Would you agree?
I would agree. Okay. What is it?
This is liquid broth concentrate. They come in these little individual packs. So I'm gonna take one of them, squeeze it into this sucker, bring it to a boil.
Okay.
And then once it's boiling, I'm gonna let it simmer for like 10-ish minutes, and that's it. Then it's done. Italian seasoning. 1/2 teaspoon and a little bit more, you know. Oh, and some salt. A big pinch.
Okay.
What does that mean?
Who says it's a big pinch?
The recipe. Now it needs to come to a boil. And then we'll simmer it. I'm gonna get my toast ready though. So I'm gonna put some toast. I'm gonna smother my toast in this butter.
Okay.
That we made.
Can I ask you a quick question?
Yeah.
What are those leaves over there?
Oh, that's my propagation station.
Oh.
I'm propagating some fiddles. Everybody doubted me. They said you can't propagate a fiddle, but I got 4 fiddle stems, all with roots. How many pieces do I want tonight?
Last time you had 3.
Okay, don't expose me. All right, I'm gonna top them off with some red chili pepper flakes. A little bit of cheese. All right, hear me out here, okay? We're really not kale people. We're really not sweet potato people. And this soup is so good. When my mom sent me this recipe, we were against it, but it's so stinking good, okay? So, like, I know some of you are gonna say, that ain't it, sis, and I'm here to tell you, this is it. And look how-
Are we soup people now?
I think we might be soup people. And look how good the bread turned out. There's the soup. Stephen's slurping in the back. And I'm still watching Parenthood. It's so dang good. I think I'm officially hooked, and I just cried out one of the episodes for the first time earlier today. And Stephen will watch like glimpses here or there if I'm watching it while we're making dinner or something, you know? Mm-hmm. So,
true.
Gonna eat dinner, and then we'll have dessert. Well, this is awkward because it's actually the next day. Listen, last night, yesterday, the full day of eating that you just watched, okay, I was like, finally, it's time to have a Dole Whip, the thing I've been looking forward to the most in my day. And then I realized there was some prep work that needed to happen that did not happen. So I forgot to freeze a banana, but I did it last night, so now we're ready to go. So if you're gonna have a Dole Whip, don't forget to do the prep work, okay? You gotta freeze a banana beforehand. This recipe is coming straight from Dole.com. There's a few recipes circling around. Half of them have a scoop of vanilla ice cream. I don't have a dairy-free vanilla ice cream in my, I just don't have any ice cream here. So we're gonna go with the Dole.com because A Dole Whip was created by Dole, okay? Hence it being the Dole Whip. So I'm gonna go with the Dole.com recipe. If you're looking for something creamier, then definitely go with all the other recipes that have like the vanilla ice cream in it. So for this recipe, we need, I also brought out the artificial light because I mean, the lighting in this kitchen is just terrifying me right now. All right, 1 cup of pineapple juice frozen in an ice cube tray. I didn't do that because the only pineapple juice, and I swear on my life, okay, I scoured the aisles. The only pineapple juice I could find is this. What the heck, Emma? And it's a little more than we need, so hopefully this still works out. 100% pineapple juice frozen. Only ingredient. Okay, there's some added ingredients, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not the most pure pineapple juice in the world, but it's gonna work. Okay, 1 cup pineapple juice frozen, put in ice cube trays. I didn't do that part, hopefully it still works out. A Dole banana, this is definitely Dole. Dole banana, straight from the Dole farm. Dole banana, peeled and frozen. 2.5 teaspoons of powdered sugar, right here, baby. And 1/4 to 1/2 cup of unsweetened coconut milk beverage. Listen, this is a girl's dream come true. You know what I'm saying? All right, we gotta warm this up a little bit.
What did you have to do?
I had to warm this up a little bit so it'll pop out, but it's not popping.
It's coming.
It's not coming, dude.
So this was supposed to be pineapple juice, huh?
It is pineapple juice. It's just not like the cleanest form of pineapple juice, but this is the best we're gonna get in a pandemic, you know?
True.
Ah, there we go.
Nice.
All right, it looks like we just blend it all together. Gradually add the coconut milk.
Cool.
You know?
Just the
Combine
pineapple juice?
banana, powdered sugar, cover, blend until smooth. Gradually add coconut milk, scraping down the sides if necessary.
I don't think anyone could hear you when you were banging.
Sorry.
So you have your frozen banana and your pineapple in there. What's
Pineapple
this?
juice. Now we got our powdered sugar. 1.
Why the powdered? Can we not use regular sugar?
Sis, I didn't make the recipe.
Okay.
All right, now we're gonna blend it until smooth, and then we're gonna start pouring in some of the coconut milk. How much of this sugar? 1/4 to 1/2 cup.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna put 1/2 cup in, and then we can just, you know. Oh, that's it. Why is that so thick, man? That's nasty. Do you think that's weird?
That's not 1/2 cup.
Yeah, it is, bro. Look, check it out right here. 1/2 cup. All right, it's showtime, baby. You know, sometimes you have a feeling, that something's not gonna work out, okay? And this isn't working out. This is not the consistency of a Dole Whip. It's the consistency of a smoothie.
Does it taste good?
No. I'm gonna go with the Dole.com recipe. If you're looking for something creamier, then definitely go with all the other recipes. I now firmly believe that the vanilla ice cream is required.
This isn't yellow.
Yeah, that's terrible. Yeah, that's really nasty. Would you like to try it?
No.
Come on, try it.
Oh, man.
All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day with this full day of eating. The Dole was a fail, but the next time I go to the grocery store, I'm definitely gonna get some vanilla ice cream and try the other recipe. But the recipe from Dole.com, I would say a disaster.
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. Maybe it was the juice though. Because that juice is like tart. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this full day of eating. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and never forget to subscribe so you never miss a fit tip with Wit again. I love you so much. Miss Indy Lou. Come here, sweet angel baby. We love you so much. It's off to bed for us. And until next time, we'll see you next time. You like that? Yeah, Indy likes it. Indy likes the Dole Whip. He's so pretty. And here's Navy. Navy's already ready for bed too. All right, I'll see you later.